Today I'm going to show you how to customize your user profile on Whop step by step so you can update your avatar, banner, name, bio, connected accounts, and privacy settings in just a few minutes. This is one of the easiest ways to make your profile look more professional, more personal, and easier for people to recognize. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Now let's get started. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because the profile settings are easiest to access from the main dashboard. In the top right corner of the screen, click your profile avatar or icon. A menu should appear, and from there you want to click the gear icon directly to the right of your username. That gear icon takes you into your account settings page, and by default, it should open on the Edit Profile tab. Now that you're in the profile editor, you can start personalizing your page. The first thing you'll probably want to update is your profile picture, also called your avatar. Simply click directly on the circular avatar image, and Whop will let you upload a new picture from your device. Choose a clean image that represents you or your brand clearly, since this is usually the first thing people notice. Next, you can update your banner image. This is the rectangular header space above your avatar, and it gives your profile a much more polished look. Click on that banner area and upload a custom header image from your computer or phone. A good banner can help reinforce your branding, show off your niche, or just make your profile feel more complete. After that, move down to the name field. This is your public display name, so type in the name you want other people to see on Whop. If you're building a personal brand, use a name that matches your identity across platforms. If you're representing a business or community, make sure the name is clear and easy to recognize. Below the name, you'll see the bio box. This is where you can write a short description about yourself, your brand, or your background. Keep it concise, but make it interesting. A good bio can help people understand who you are right away, what you do, and why they should follow or connect with you. Once your visuals and bio are set, the next step is to add your social media and connected accounts. In the settings sidebar, click on Connected Accounts. From here, you can link platforms like Discord, Google, Apple, or Instagram. This is especially useful if you want to make it easier for people to find your other profiles or verify that your account is legitimate. If you connect Instagram, Whop may use a quick 6-digit verification code. In that case, you'll temporarily paste the code into your Instagram bio to confirm ownership. Follow the instructions carefully and remove the code afterward once verification is complete. Now let's talk about privacy. If you want to control how visible your profile is to other users, scroll down to the privacy section in your settings. Here, you can adjust visibility options and decide whether your profile should be discoverable in Whop's search index. This is useful if you want more exposure, or if you prefer to keep your profile a little more private. Take a moment to review everything you've changed. Check your avatar, banner, name, bio, connected accounts, and privacy settings to make sure everything looks right. When you're happy with your profile, click Save Changes. That final step is important because it locks in all the edits you just made. And that's it. Your Whop user profile is now customized and ready to go. A polished profile can make a big difference, whether you're building a community, selling products, or just trying to look more professional online. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.